Well, okay guys, thanks for joining my video here. I just got done repairing my Caliber wing by replacing the entire center section. It took me maybe, I would say 45 minutes or so, it's quite an easy build. So go ahead and follow along with me and I'll show you how to repair your Caliber wing. Thanks.
Okay guys, just to show you the actual crashes that led me to this point, there's crash number 1 and here comes crash number 2. Basically both of them complete nose-ins and at quite a high rate of speed anyway, so this is what the result was. Actually, if you think about it, 2 full-speed nose-in crashes didn't actually result in that much damage, so I'm pretty actually lucky that none of my electronic components didn't break or anything like that. So guys, what you're going to need is a one of your sharp knives and of course your Gorilla Glue and some water. You're basically going to reverse all the electronics that you had, so take out your ESC and your speed controller and your receiver. I had a bit of a hard time getting my ESC out of there. Denatured alcohol actually works really well for releasing hot glue, so for in the future. So you're going to see me cutting through the top of the wing here on either side of each spar, and at a certain point I angle the blade inwards about 45 degrees to get underneath the spar to help to release the glue from that section there. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to really have to tug and pull quite a bit to get this out, but that was not the case. As you'll see here, I'm going to start to separate pretty soon. And it comes right off. Quite easy, and the Gorilla Glue actually comes off these spars quite easily as you're scraping it off with your knife there. So you have to scrape all that off and slowly slide off the other part of the pod. Easy stuff. So if you've built this plane, you basically know how to repair it. So here I'm going to slide on the new pod. Once again, you do need to drill out the pod holes with the 1/8 inch drill bit and just get them where it's tight and you're still pressing it in. So doing this repair offered me the rare opportunity to correct a mistake that I made in my initial build. In my initial build, you might have seen in some of my other videos, I actually glued the wings in slightly crooked, and I corrected it but not all the way. So I really took my time here and I made sure everything measured out just perfectly before I actually glued everything in. And you'll see here, I waited a good bit of time before actually cutting off this excess here. Flipped the wing over and went ahead and pinned the spars back in because they were raised up just a slight bit. So I just want to make sure that they got coated. Got to make sure that sticker's right in the right place so everyone can see. Alright, so here I'm going to spray my water in, lay in my Gorilla Glue. I laid it on quite thick because those caverns there were, I wanted to make sure they got all filled in the first time so I wouldn't have to add any more in afterwards. So spray a little extra water just to be safe here. If you've ever wondered what Gorilla Glue looks like in rapid time, here you go. Nice. And that's just a little piece of black foam in there. That's not a gnat or anything. Alright, back to work. Alright, so after that all dried, you're just going to slice it right back off. And of course, after this process is done, you're going to start the lamination process, which is just as easy as you remembered it from when you built your wing. This time it actually goes a little faster because you're only doing a very short, small portion. I just have to say thanks to Tim from Snipe Air for getting this wing pod out to me as quickly as he did, because I don't like to be down on my time as far as flying goes, even though it was my fault. Yeah, he sent it out very quickly, and I really appreciate it. We always stay in contact since I'm doing a bunch of videos and whatnot. But yeah, thanks, Tim. Okay guys, well, I hope you don't have to repair your wing like I did, but if you do, here's the video. If you have any questions regarding this wing, leave it in the comments below, or shoot snipeairindustries.com a email and he'll be happy to talk to you. You can subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and also visit Sniper Industries, and we'll talk to you guys later. Cheers.